Are you a non-citizen considering to buy and own land in Uganda? Well, before you buy and own land in Uganda, it's important for you to have at least a few things at the back of your mind. Considering non-citizens are granted leases. So when you're buying land, you're going to be buying a lease. So there are different types of leases. For instance, we have individual leases, and then we have government leases. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering individual leases. However, if you'd like me to do a video on government leases, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. I will be happy to do a video on that. So the only difference that you should know between individual leases and government leases is that for government, you're obtaining the lease from a government entity or from government. For individual leases, you're merely obtaining a lease from an individual. Hi, my name is Joan.A. I'm a lawyer, and welcome back to Law Joan. So, how do you obtain an individual lease? You obtain an individual lease by, first of all, identifying the land that you want to lease. So let's say you identify land and it's owned by an individual. How do you go about this? You approach the person that is owning that land. Let's say you identify land in Ntinda, and this land is owned by a person called Angela. Angela is owning a Milo title on this land. So basically, it doesn't matter if you can obtain a lease from an individual who has a Milo title or a freehold title. So we are giving a scenario. You approach Angela. Let's say Angela accepts and listens to you. You tell Angela that I like this land. It can actually bring out the purpose for which I want to do on the land. So you sit down with Angela and agree on the terms and conditions of the use of that land. You talk about the terms of engagement. You talk about the purpose for which you're going to use that land, the duration of which you're going to use that land. So if both of you are in harmony, you go ahead and reduce this into a written agreement, which is referred to as a lease agreement. Once you have finished doing that, considering that Angela is a citizen and she cannot transfer this Milo interest that she has, both of you have to go to the land registry, whereby you fill in particular forms and you pay the required government fees that you're required to pay. So upon doing that, Angela's title is caveated and left at the land registry. Now what happens is a leasehold title is created for you and the interest reverts to you, the non-citizen. So at this point in time, you have a right to use the land to the exclusion of everyone else around you and also the landlord. But it has to be subject to the lease agreement, to the terms and conditions you made in the lease agreement, and subject to the purpose that you stated in the lease agreement. Well, this is all I had for you for today. If you have any questions regarding to this video, you can kindly leave them in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed and followed yet, please kindly do, so that you can keep up with the updates that I post weekly. Until next time, bye.